It's 2025. A new year. A fresh start. This is the year you finally take that dream of yours and make it real. You've been scrolling YouTube, watching creators blow up, thinking, I wish I could do that. And in 2025, you can. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start your own faceless YouTube channel in 2025, turn it into a growing income stream, and ride some of the hottest trends coming your way. You'll also learn how to automate the whole process using freelancers, AI tools, or a mix of both. If you want a more detailed, actionable breakdown of how to automate and run your YouTube channel, stay until the end of the video because I'll be sharing a secret community of YouTube experts who give actionable advice for free. YouTube trends in 2025. There are already a few major trends we've been seeing in 2024 that will go forward into 2025, and they're perfect for faceless creators. Channels focusing on AI tools and tech, for example, are getting popular because people are curious and want to learn how to use the tools shaping the future. Lifestyle content is also booming, but with a unique twist. People want practical value instead of just flashy videos showing off a Lambo. Explainer videos, financial tips, and how-tos are massive growth areas too. YouTube Shorts has been booming in 2024 too, and it's looking like it will get even bigger in 2025. With YouTube Shorts, you can create videos that are less than 60 seconds and grow your channel fast to hit monetization requirements. YouTube's algorithm heavily promotes these bite-sized videos. Shorts are perfect for faceless channels because you can create snackable content quickly. For example, if your niche is personal finance, you could upload a 60-second video explaining how compound interest works using simple animations or text overlays. The third major trend I've noticed that I think is going to blow up in 2025 is community building. It's not enough to just post videos and hope to go viral. Realistically, you won't go viral every time, maybe even not at all. You can't depend on number of views to make money and build a business. It's much better to focus on quality over quantity. By building a community, you'll have a loyal group of people around you to keep your business sustainable. Plus, it adds a lot more meaning to what you do and helps more people. One of my favorite platforms for community building is School. It's easy to use, and it is absolutely blowing up. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process of how to start a faceless YouTube channel in 2025 while tapping into these trends. How to start a faceless YouTube channel. AI tools have been getting better and better, and you can use these right away to start a faceless YouTube channel. Let's break it down step by step so you can see exactly how this works. Step 1. Decide on a niche. Your niche is the foundation of your channel, so take your time. Here's how to approach it. Start by asking yourself what's trending and what people will keep searching for in 2025. If you're unsure, tools like Google Trends, vidIQ can give you real-time data. In 2025, niches like personal finance, AI tutorials, health and wellness, and even storytelling will stay incredibly popular. Pick a niche that makes sense with one of your interests. For example, if you're interested in AI, a faceless channel breaking down the best AI tools for small businesses could blow up this year. Step 2. Plan your content. Start with keyword research. What are people searching for? What questions are they asking? Use free tools like Ubersuggest or vidIQ to find high-volume, low-competition keywords. For example, in the personal finance niche, terms like Best Budgeting Apps 2025 or How to Save $1,000 Fast might be trending. Build your video ideas around these keywords and create a bank of video ideas that you can come back to each time you want to create a video. Step 3. Create your content. For scripting, I recommend using ChatGPT or Claude. They're both great, but I think each one is better for different things. For example, I think ChatGPT is better for more factual or formal videos, like for a history or documentary channel. Claude is great if you want your videos to have more personality. It's a lot more human-sounding, and it's actually got a sense of humor which I love. For both of these tools, Just type in a prompt for them to write you a script. You can type something like this. The more detailed you can be, the better. Once the tool's generated the script, copy and paste it into a Google Doc. Fact check if you need to, and add some edits to make it more human. People are getting sick and tired of robotic-looking AI channels, so in 2025, you really need to make sure that you seem like a human, even with AI. Step 4. Find/generate footage. For faceless channels, visuals are everything. Depending on your niche, this could mean using stock footage from sites like Storyblocks, creating simple animations with Canva, using screen recordings for tutorial videos, generating cool AI images with Leonardo AI, or even using AI presenters with HeyGen. The presenters on here feel so real it's almost scary, but it's a good scary because it will make your channel feel more genuine, which is exactly what we want in 2025. Step 5. Generate voiceovers. If you're not comfortable using your own voice, no problem. Another scarily human AI tool is 11 Labs. Have a listen to the different voices on here, pick one that makes sense with your videos and channels, and then paste the script that you put together earlier. You can adjust the settings to what you like, and then click on Generate. It's that quick and easy. If you don't mind using your voice but you want to speed up the process, just use their voice cloning feature. This is a great way to use AI but still come across as human, which, again, is exactly what we want in 2025. Step 6. Video editing. Beginner-friendly software like CapCut can help you create polished videos with hardly any work. Just upload your voiceover and footage, and then add some simple transitions. You can also add auto captions here, which is especially useful for YouTube Shorts. CapCut keeps coming out with new AI features, so definitely check them out. Step 7. Optimize your video and upload. Optimizing your video means using keywords in the title, description, and tags. Writing an engaging description that gives viewers a reason to click, and creating a killer thumbnail. Your thumbnail and title are the most important parts because they're the first thing people see. You can use Canva's thumbnail templates for this. Find or generate an image, then add some text. Only a couple of words that stand out. Bright colors, bold text, and clean layouts work best. For the title, I usually just go by vidIQ's suggestions and switch it up a bit. I do the same for the description and tags. Once your video's optimized, you can just hit publish. The next steps. Once you've uploaded a few videos and started building an audience, you can scale up by making more content or even starting more channels in different niches. Automation is key here. You can be as hands-on or as hands-off as you like. You could write your script from scratch yourself if you want to, and then use AI tools for the rest. You could use AI tools for the whole process, or you could hire freelancers on Fiverr to do each of the steps that I took you through. I recommend trying to do this whole process with at least some AI tools, and then, once you know how to use them well, you can train a small team to do the whole process for you, and by eventually automating repetitive tasks, you free yourself to focus on strategy and growth so that you can get your channel monetized and make as much money as possible. This year is your chance to make a change. You have the tools, the trends, and the roadmap to build something real. It's not about getting everything perfect on day one. It's about starting. The rest will fall into place as you learn. If you have any questions about YouTube automation or starting a channel, click the link in the description to join our free school community. Inside the Scale Society, we share exclusive tips and updates on growing automated channels, making money online, and we even do weekly giveaways. It's a great way to network with and learn from successful people, get feedback, and find inspiration. And again, it's totally free, so come hang out with us there. What ideas do you have for your YouTube channel? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this.